The stellar success of blockbuster drugs like Ozempic, Wegovy, Mounjaro and Zepbound has companies eager to break into the lucrative weight loss drug market. Here are the hopeful rivals preparing to challenge Eli Lilly and Novo Nordisk for dominance in the obesity drug gold rush. While semaglutide and tirzepatide, respectively the generic names for the active drug in Wegovy, Ozempic, Mounjaro, and Zepbound, dominate the weight loss drug market, Mounjaro and Ozempic are only licensed for diabetes. Neither Novo Nordisk nor Eli Lilly are resting on their laurels. Both are refining existing medications and developing next-generation drugs to shore up their position in the future. Novo, for example, is developing an oral version of semaglutide intended for once-daily treatment, as well as new drugs like the injectable CagriSema, a combination drug that targets GLP-1 and another hormone, amylin, which regulates hunger. It is also developing amycretin in pill and injectable format, which is a single molecule targeting GLP-1 and amylin. Early data on the pill suggests amycretin could outperform Wegovy. Lilly, which secured approval for Zepbound in November, is working on a suite of new drugs including orforglipron and retatrutide, which hope to build on the weight loss in Zepbound and are both in late-stage trials. It is still going to be years before Novo Nordisk and Eli Lilly have serious competition for their popular weight loss treatment on pharmacy shelves. While the process varies, it can take between 10 and 20 years to usher a new drug through all three phases of clinical trials, and most drugs ultimately fail during clinical testing. There is no guarantee promising results on efficacy, safety and tolerability from earlier trials will be replicated in larger late-stage trials. Even companies with candidates already in the later stages of testing are still going to require several years to gather and process the data and, should things pan out, time to work with regulators to secure approval. Launching the drug is another matter entirely, and shoring up enough supplies has proven difficult even for companies the size of Lilly and Novo, who have continually failed to meet demand. Despite investing billions to ramp up production, both drugs are in short supply, and both companies readily admit they are unlikely to meet demand in the near future. Bringing a drug to market is also a costly and logistically complex process, especially during the later stages of development, and it is not uncommon for promising candidates, or even entire companies, to change hands. Pharma giants, who are increasingly replacing innovation with mergers and acquisitions, are known to scoop up promising drugs, portfolios or companies. Several have already happened in the weight loss space. Swiss heavyweight Roche inked a $2